Hi everyone, it's Trish Koodrich from Trish's Truffles, and I'm excited to bring to you a class I am doing in conjunction with CCBC. It is how to make this beautiful chocolate cornucopia for your Thanksgiving or even Christmas Day centerpiece. You will also learn how to make these beautiful little chocolate treats to go along with it. You'll learn all about chocolate, the different types, dark, milk, white, and the new ruby chocolate, how tempering chocolate is so important, and how to do it. We'll talk about where chocolate comes from, and I will share with you as much information about chocolate as I can in 2 3-hour classes. So let me help you turn your passion for chocolate into a full-blown love affair. Follow the link below, register early because the classes are limited. Looking forward to seeing you.